Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a watermelon, specifically a sliced watermelon. Start off with a light green circle and make a vertical line going down the center. Fill in one half of the circle and make a darker green crescent off to the side. Outline the perimeter of the empty half of the circle. On the other half, make a few lines going down that get more curved as you get to the end. Outline the inner edge of the crescent with a lighter green. Make the inner edges using a dark pink color. Outline the inner perimeter of the green line, leaving a gap of white. And do the same thing to the empty part of the circle. And go over the green half with a yellowy green. And with that same green, make another curved line coming off the bottom of the crescent. And then fill in the empty space. And now let's take an even darker green. Organically press up and down going along the lines of the green half. And lightly outline the edge of the first green line that you made on the crescent. Make a few of those same type of lines going down vertically on the yellow-green section. And go around the center of the green section with that original green color. Leave a decent amount going around the edges of the lime green and blend it into the lime green. Fill in the rest of that space with a slightly lighter shade of pink. And go along the edge of that opening with a gray. Blend the gray into whatever color is closest to it on the side where the opening is. And using a black pen and a polka dot formation, make some teardrop shapes going inside the pink section. You can keep it like that, or you can do what I did and outline everything.